Intercom and paging groups. This is found underneath call control and intercom/paging. What this enables you to do is create a paging group at an extension number. At this point, if you were to dial 444, you would begin paging the extensions 143, 144, and 147. Now, what is paging? Paging allows you to create basically a PA or public announcement. If you dial 444, all three of those extensions will open up a channel and your voice will now be broadcasted across those extensions. Let's go ahead and create a new one so we can see the process from scratch. Let's add a page group called, oh no, can't do that. Let's say the extension is 4500 and we'll call it emergency page all. Let's say we're just going to go ahead and page everyone. This is the extension that you would dial in an emergency situation. You need to get a hold of everyone and tell them to evacuate, etc. In the advanced tab, you have a few options. Skip busy extensions will allow you to page all the extensions that are not on the phone. If you have sales employees that can't be bothered, you'll want to enable this in case they're already on the phone and you don't barge into their phone call. Duplex audio will be pretty much off in all cases. However, if you want, you can enable it, and what that means is that instead of just your voice being broadcasted across all those extensions, it'll actually create a conference call between all the phones and everyone can hear everything. So you'll be paging all these phones, and if those people are talking, everyone else can hear those people talking in the page as well. So this is not terribly useful and should be kept to off. Pre-paging tone will play a little beep on all the phones that are being paged prior to your voice being heard. Sometimes people like the beep to know to start listening and stop their existing conversation. Otherwise, you can just keep it off. We'll go ahead and submit that. So at this point, if you dial 4500 on this system, it'll open up a channel to all these extensions and start broadcasting your voice to them. As always, click Apply Changes to make sure the server saves your settings.